Good morning, Bywood. My name is Josue, and I am from 208. Today is National Assistance Principal Day. We are very lucky to call Mrs. Newby ours. On behalf of all of Bywood, we would like to thank you for all you do for us. You always inspire us to do our best, be problem solvers and positive passengers on Bywood the bus. We want to thank you for being an awesome leader, and we hope you have an extra special day.
Boys and girls, do we have the best vice principal out there? Let's give her a big round of applause.